Check out this absolutely gorgeous tree that I was given so I could give you guys a review. I love that it came with lights. The assembly was incredibly easy. It came in 3 parts, really easily labeled with the numbers, and you just basically slide it on, kind of like an artificial Christmas tree. And I was really impressed instantly with the quality of this. I am so excited to be able to set it up. Super simple. You just kind of fluff it and move the branches around to make it have a more full appearance. You can kind of move them as you will. I love that even the leaves have texture up close. Really helps to give that artificial tree a more realistic look. I absolutely love the look of this. I added on some lights. I'm using this in my entryway, and even my husband loves it. I absolutely have enjoyed moving this all around the house and seeing the best place. It comes with the light pack, and it comes with so many different settings so that you can change it. It also comes with an automatic timer on off, which I love. It has this extra moss that is faux that you can add to that pot so that you could bury the little lights in there, or you could use it so that it adds that extra element to it. The quality is fantastic. I definitely would suggest checking this out.